what we're doing at Newfield, we're inviting the possibility for a deeper conversation. That if we're going to change the world, we have to do it together. It's not going to be one person who like gets a lot of views on YouTube or something. It's going to be conversations that we have that then ripple out. And one of the things that we're really interested in is exploring new ways of being human together. Because we can, in the Newfield programs, we discover that there's really profound, even on Zoom, there's profound possibilities for how we can be together. And then when we see those possibilities and we co-create those possibilities, we see that it's possible. And so then we bring those out into the rest of our lives and our communities. And I think that's how we change things. And so thank you for participating in that.
And if you're interested in exploring more and diving in deeper, we offer coaching for personal and professional mastery. It's a 9 month journey to look at how to human better with ourselves and with each other, supporting us in learning about transformational dialogue and coaching, whether that's to become a coach, to integrate your coaching skills and competencies into your leadership capacities or to your own personal life. I have been co facilitating the coach training program for about 20 years now, and I will share from my own experience that it is so beautiful to see people come together and have deep and sacred conversations about what it means to be human and to be alive in the times that we are. It's a beautiful cohort and collective that forms where really strong bonds are created, and people are often lifelong friends after the program. It's quite fantastic to see.